Approximately 1/3 of Australian homes contain asbestos products. If your house was built before the 1990s, it's likely that it'll have some asbestos-containing materials. And here in the beautiful Blue Mountains, a lot of our homes were built when asbestos was commonly used. So before renovating, it's really important to carry out precautions to make sure that you, your family and your neighbours stay safe. So let's go meet Claire, who's planning some renovations.
Ever since I've moved in here, I've dreamed of turning that old shed into a home office. At the moment, I'm working on my kitchen table and it's just getting really crowded in there, so it would be lovely to have some more space.
Daniel, do you know what asbestos is?
Not really, no. I think I've heard of it before, but I'm not 100% sure what it is.
To be honest, I don't have that excuse. I do know what asbestos is, but I haven't even factored it into the thinking around this project.
In considering this new information, does it change anything?
It's changed it a lot. I'll obviously have to look at how to get it removed safely, and so it'll have to be done properly, and obviously cost will be a factor.
Well, you might be pleasantly surprised to find out that, depending on the amount of asbestos, disposing of it safely can cost the same as regular waste.
Oh, great.
But it's still really important to do your own research, and you can find out more information on the link below. Daniel, do you have anything you'd like to say about hazardous waste?
Together, we've got it sorted.